Now, here's one of the things and one of the reasons that motivated us to talk to you today. Um, a number of you are international students. A lot of you are Chinese and some Indians who have done their undergraduate study in the United States and hope to, if they get an offer for this program, hope to continue as a master's program in the fall. The risk at the moment, because of the current situation, is that if you leave this country, it may be difficult to get back in. And so we've made an adjustment to our program to try to accommodate you if you want to, okay? Now, of course, you can transfer your I-20 to this college if you get an offer and spend the summer reading books or sitting close to a beach or exploring the national parks. That's your choice. But some students have asked whether or not they can come earlier and begin the program, and that way they have an excuse for not going home and they don't run the risk of being arriving late in the fall semester because of visa problems or temperature problems. And so what we've done is we've made available two of the core components that we would offer in the fall in the summer. And this is called Summer 2, which runs from June 15th through the first week of August. Okay, and the two courses we would run Fin 500, Intro to Finance, that's 4 credit hours, and Professor Murphy is going to run Introduction to Machine Learning, and that is IE 534, Matt?
524.
524, thank you. I didn't put it on the slide here.
Yeah, that's there.
This is something that we have not done before, but I think it may be of interest to you. Let's go to the next.
Can I just point out one thing real quick? Under this option here, there is a link. We'll have that link available and we'll email it out to everybody who's invited to this meeting. But that's just a way for you to let us know if this is an option that appeals to you and just get some information about, you know, how to contact you.
Yeah, if only 2 of you are interested in this, then it's unlikely that we'll put it on. So that's our attempt to see what the demand for this is. I think we're trying to be accommodating, and I think it's interesting. Go to the next slide. There are some other considerations. We're going to offer the classes for that summer option remotely and or locally. I think our presumption when we started was that we were going to offer those locally in Champaign, but the longer the coronavirus troubles us, the more likely it is to be delivered remotely. And it will be offered just for regularly admitted students. In the fall, those people who arrive early and do those 2 courses can either repeat them in the fall or take some electives in the fall, having done them early, because we will be given those 2 courses, not with the same professors, but we will be given those courses for regular arrival students who come at the end of August. We're not doing this to raise revenues. And so you will have to pay a fee for these courses in the summer, which is essentially half of the semester fee. But in the fall, when you arrive, if you've done those 2 and qualified, you will only be charged for half of the other half of the semester. So in terms of tuition, it's the same cost whether or not you do it in the summer and the fall, or whether you just do it with regular attendance in the fall, with one exception. The university may impose campus fees. I'm trying to get that waived, but at the moment, that would be $2,200 extra that you'd have to pay for summer attendance.